So we're in Clovis, California. We're taking a look at a little pipe right here that's got a little pinhole. So homeowner noticed they had a lot of water in the corner. You can see the mold building down there. So we just popped a couple holes and just kept tracking it down as the water flowed. And you can see right there, it's just got a little pinhole right there. So we can do the repair, not a problem. But the main thing is you'll have to get this wall opened up, get it all the way down there and get the mold out of there, and then get the water to dry up, and then you can have someone come back in and patch the drywall, tape texture paint. And then after we do the repair here, we'll take another video when we're done. So still here in Clovis, California, and we got the pipe repaired. You see copper up here, nice and clean down here, a little darker, but the main thing is we've got the piece of pipe sitting here. You can see there's your pinhole, and I don't know why it broke through, but that's where your problem was. So sharp pipe coupling, piece of PEX. This just serves the toilet only. And I was wrong on the first part of the video that they actually did use the copper tubing for grounding. I don't know if that was code then. I don't know if it's code now because I'm not an electrician. But normally there's a grounding rod that comes up from the rebar that's in the exterior footings. It gets rolled up and they ground to that. Or they can certainly use a solid copper ground rod to go in, but they're tied into this 1/2-inch copper line. So I don't know. I'm not an electrician, but usually we don't see stuff like that. Anyway, so this is good. I ask that you monitor it, keep an eye on this, make sure that everything stays good. You're gonna have to demo back all of this drywall, get all the mold remediated, and then get it patched, and then you're back in business. Outside of that, this installation is done.